Tugad duine a bhín dáchas go bhfuil sibh go frocail. Now Gaelic has a very strong cultural heritage, from music to song, poetry and theatre, and dance and sport. Many bands have used Gaelic in their music and song. Some have even featured in television adverts, appeared in the UK Top 40 music charts, and Gaelic has even been sung as part of Eurovision. Now if you ever get the chance, it's also well worth trying a wee bit of Camanach, Imine or Shinty. Now traditional Scottish instruments include the bagpipes, the fiddle, the clarsach or the harp, and also Gaelic song itself. And there are so many types of Gaelic song traditions to be learnt. Some of them, like Pur Shabil, were created for dancing. It's literally called mouth music. Let's hear a wee bit of that now. Another type of Gaelic song is Oran Vui, or walking songs, and this was performed as part of the tweed or tartan making process when they were shrinking the material, and that sounds a bit like this. So why not try to design your own Seachtain na Gaelic tartan and share it with us online using the hashtag Seachtain na Gaelic. We cannot wait to see what you design. Cheerio and drasta!